Hey, what is going on, everybody? Got you guys some exciting news today. We are doing a Resonator delete today. You guys been requesting how it's gonna sound and everything like that, so we're doing it today. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribed because this is gonna be an epic video. Right now, what we have is a PRL catted downpipe, a front pipe. The resonators are stock, and I have an active exhaust in the back, so I can open and close the valves for muffler or without muffler. Either or, quiet or loud. So the resonators are going to be gone today as per everybody's request on my channel. So today is this 2025's years, by the way. The goal is going to be hitting 100K subscribers. So if you're watching this video, if you subscribe, I would really appreciate that. And stay tuned, and yeah, let's get this thing rolling. Alright, it's all set. The back, we got the active mufflers, and the here. We removed this big resonator here, so we're gonna see how it sounds. We didn't remove both because this is very small. Probably won't make a big difference. At the same time, we're assuming that this is mostly for a drone on the inside and the cabin sound, so we're gonna keep that on for now. We removed the big one and see how it sounds. So we'll check it out right now. Oh yeah. It's coming down. By the way, the quad tips, they're 4-inch quad tips. That's how it looks with the V2 diffuser. Everything's gonna be in my, I'll put the description in the video for the website, and everything, you guys can grab everything from there. Tail lights, spoilers, all the good stuff. Can't wait to hear this thing sound. Let it sit. So what we did, there's 2.0 has two resonators. There's small one and a large one. So remove the one in the rear, the large one. The small one is still there. So we're gonna see how it sounds. Nice. We got some sound there for sure. Let's see that, my keys. Do it a higher rev. I can hear that turbo spool. Guys, this thing sounds phenomenal. Listen, listen. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I definitely need to get a DJI wireless microphone so I can put it back there. You guys could hear that pure sound. Sounds amazing. There's no drone inside the car, which is perfect. That's why we didn't remove that small resonator in the front. There's a larger resonator in the back, which we removed. So it sounds perfect. You don't gotta remove both resonators, but if you want it crazy loud, go ahead, remove it, but I didn't, and there's no drone inside. So there you have it. It sounds really nice. We're gonna make some end clips as well for how it sounds from the outside. All right, fam. So stay tuned, and we're gonna be putting up that clip next. This sounds amazing. Okay. All right, this is how it sounds. This is how it sounds inside with the windows up, everything closed. Moonroof is closed. So this is how it sounds right now, right? Listen to it again. And we'll get you some clips from the outside too, with the windows open and outside. Sounds really clean. It's nice and aggressive. Barely any drone inside, barely. But yeah, we're at 40 miles per hour and it's barely drone inside. So let's give it one more shot. We're gonna move up, and we're gonna wait for a green light, and you guys can hear it again. All right, this one speed limit's a little bit higher, so we'll go to like 45 to 50. All right, so you guys can hear how it sounds on the inside again at a higher speed limit. All right, green of mind. That was amazing. Windows are open, the right side and the back rear windows are open about 25%. And my side is closed because we don't want wind noise coming in. So that pretty much, I'm trying to get you the best quality videos here. So, alright, just full stop. Listen. Now we'll get you guys some clip from outside. All right, fam?